Hello and welcome to another colored pencil tutorial. Let's learn about bird feathers this time. Focus on this section and identify the light, medium and dark tones before you begin. Start with the lightest shade, that is light orange. With very light pressure, cover the entire section in the direction of the feathers. You need not draw individual strokes here, just follow the direction and make short overlapping strokes this way. Towards the front, the feathers tend to flow to your right hand side, and as you proceed, they tend to flow upwards and then towards your left hand side. Next, in the same way, add a layer of dark orange. We used a dark orange for the mid-tone and now we'll be using a scarlet red for slightly darker tones. Use a sharp pencil and draw short strokes wherever you find dark tones. The top part has more light tones, so don't add a lot of red there. The lower section is darker and looks more dense, so add more red there. This video is a part of my Skillshare class on bird feather techniques where I have covered breast feathers, wing and tail feathers as well. If you're interested in learning more, then please have a look at that class. I will leave the referral link and also the class promo link in the description below. You can alternate between red and dark orange to get more depth. To intensify the dark tones, you can use a deep red if you have, or else you can use the same scarlet red with heavier pressure. Next, for the darkest tones, I have used two shades. This dark red, which is like a maroonish shade, and then a red violet, especially at the lower section. After that, you need to add a couple of layers or more with the same set of colors, gradually increasing the pressure. A observe the reference photo again and compare with your drawing. You need to use your judgment and add oranges and reds accordingly. Do not cover the oranges completely with reds. Let the orange strokes be visible at the top. This will make the feathers look denser and add more depth and value. Towards the end, you can make defined strokes with heavy pressure, but remember to stick to the direction of the feathers. Stop when you feel the feathers look dense enough. Also, please do not burnish as we are not aiming for a smooth look. If you want to make the darkest tones pop, then you can use a violet along with red. If you want to make the highlights pop, use a white over orange. You can also use a craft knife to gently scrape off some pigment and create highlights. This will be helpful if you have accidentally covered the highlight area with reds. Once you have scraped off layers of reds, you can again add light orange on top. So this is the technique for the head feathers. You can use this technique for any other bird that has a similar feather pattern. Do let me know your feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you soon.